Welcome back, Truth Seeker. August 11th, 2019, Tisha B'Av, the day of tragedy in Jewish history, and a tragedy in the Canary Islands of Spain, massive forest fire. I want to show you what's strange about this in light of the new president of the Canary Islands. Again, we are watching this day for natural disasters. August 11th, the 223rd day of the year. Natural disaster equals 223. You have a typhoon in China that's killed countless people. You have massive flooding in India from monsoons that's killed massive amounts of people today. And you have this fire. And here's what's strange. Canary Islands equals 211, also like the name of the new president. Of course, Mason equals 211. 211, the 47th prime, familiar number. But this man just took office, the new president with the perfect name. And from the day he took office, July 16th, to the fires today, August 11th, is 26 days later. The word canary equals 26, like the word burn equals 26, like chaos equals 26. The Masonic agenda is order out of chaos. And burn also sums to 53, like Tisha B'Av. Here we are, August 11th. Might remind people in California what happened November 8th, another date that can be written 11/8, like 118. Los Angeles, California equals 118. Paradise, California equals 118. On that date, the deadliest wildfires in California history, November 8th. Today's the date, August 11th. Again, very similar dates. Both can be expressed 118, number connected to death and killing. And in the United States today, massive house fire in Pennsylvania reportedly killed 4 siblings. Notice Pennsylvania's 53, like Tisha B'Av. And again, burn is also 53. Erie, Pennsylvania, where this happened, is just outside Pittsburgh. Notice Erie, Pennsylvania sums to 243. One of the first headlines on this same day, August 11, 2019, was the death of the Pittsburgh Steelers wide receiver coach. And again, he's died on August 11th, 11/8, like 118, death 118. He was 62 years old, sacrificed 62. The Steelers are 6-2 in Super Bowls. He coaches Pittsburgh. Today has 58 date numerology like Pittsburgh's 58. But that point about 243, he coached the Pittsburgh Steelers, 243 in both ordinal ciphers. And from his birthday, Darryl Drake, to his death, December 11th, his last birthday, to August 11th, 243 days. And then you get this death from the fire in Erie, Pennsylvania, 243, a town that's just north of Pittsburgh. Again, the United States of America just turned 243 years old. So, again, what are the odds? What are the odds? And I'd encourage people to go back and look at the Masonic fires in California of 2018 and see how ritualistic those were. Again, mad people control the world. John Lennon once said, insane people for insane purposes. And that was definitely a true statement. So again, what are the odds that the Canary Islands burn 26 days after the new president comes into town? And again, it just shows these people are born for the throne. His name's 211, like Canary Islands, that big Mason number. Something else. Till next time.